Good morning, students, and happy Thursday. I am here excitedly in front of our Penny Wars board. Wow, the generosity and support from so many of you. I've heard stories of students emptying out their change drawers, asking mom and dad and grandparents and friends and family for any extra change to donate to our school. We appreciate your generosity and know that any bit that you donate to us will come back to you from our PTA in the exciting events and things that we can do to enhance our school experience. So it will all come back and benefit you. But what a testament to how just gracious and generous and caring our school community is. So let's take a look at the leaderboard here, boys and girls. We've got pre-K at an impressive $20. We have Miss McKernan's class leading the charge in first grade with $12.48. Check out our second, did I skip kindergarten? Look at Miss Chapin up there. Second grade, we have all the way, Miss Gordon's class with $73.28. That is awesome. Third grade, look at Miss Plog leading the board at almost $60 in change for our Penny Wars. And fourth grade, Miss Calaraquil. And look at all of that generosity from so many classes. And last but not least, we saved the best for last. Check out fifth grade. You have to go all the way up the board at $90.32 for Miss Llewellyn. So, I hope I didn't make you too dizzy this Thursday morning, but I wanted to say on behalf of Mr. Wong, on behalf of Ms. Foreman, on our PTA, and from Mr. Fletcher and I, a sincere thank you. We will take this money and we will do something extra special and fun for our school. Have a thrilling Thursday.